Do you have an electronics idea but need a professional PCB designer to bring it to life? Welcome. I provide reliable and high-quality PCB design engineering services for students, startups, makers, and businesses. From schematic design to complete PCB layout, I create efficient, compact, and production-ready circuit boards tailored to your project requirements. Whether it's a simple single-layer PCB or a complex multi-layer board, I ensure clean routing, proper component placement, and optimized performance. I work on Arduino, ESP32, IoT devices, robotics, automation systems, embedded electronics, and power supply circuits. My services include schematic capture, PCB routing, Gerber file generation, BOM support, and design verification for smooth manufacturing. Every project is handled with attention to detail, fast communication, and timely delivery. My goal is to help you save development time and create reliable hardware solutions that work perfectly in real-world applications. If you're searching for a professional PCB design engineer for your next electronics project, contact me today and let's transform your ideas into reality.